Hey guys, it's Marwan here again, your sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax, and I want to show you this vehicle right there, the 2021 Ultimate Venue. Stay tuned. So guys, as always, before I get started here, I want to show you a quick 360 how the vehicle looks like from the outside. It's a good looking small vehicle, very convenient. So in a bit I want to explain a couple features from the outside. Stay tuned. So guys, before I show you how the vehicle looks like from the inside, let's show you a couple of features from the outside. As you can see, this is 2021 Ultimate Venue. Has your blind spot assistant on both sides, and got your keyless entry, so you don't have to use the key when you open the door. Just let it be in your pocket. Click on that, and there you have it. Has pretty good room as well. So let me open up the back side of the vehicle. Also, people can sit really comfortable as well. The back side. I want to show you how much space it got in the trunk. If you put your hand right here, there's a switch, click on it, and it's gonna open up. So that's actually for a smaller vehicle, it got tons of space. That's actually pretty cool. And it comes with your, obviously this one, if you put it up, it's your safety, so people don't see what you have in the trunk. Secure stuff. And if that space is not enough for you, if you go back, so if you go to the back seat, sorry, you got the lever there, pull that up, and the seat should go down. So it's not going all the way down just because I have the front seat to the back for a bit. So that's if in case you need more space. And obviously this vehicle comes with a 17-inch all-season tire, as you can see right there. Also, the design of the rim is actually pretty awesome. So after I showed you how the vehicle looks like and features from the outside, stay tuned so I can show you how it looks like from the inside. So guys, this is how it looks like inside the 2021 Ultimate Venue. You got your, I'm gonna start it up for you. You got your push start here. There you have it. Also, before I forget to mention, they do come with like a semi leather, so you have your fabric from the inside, leather from the outside. I find it more comfortable this way actually. You got your steering wheel with a couple of features right there. You got your 8-inch LCD touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. I will show you that soon enough. So if you go to the steering wheel, you got your cruise control right there. You got your menu right here. If you click on that, it's going to show you, you can go to settings. It's going to show you your driver assistant, door lights, services, a bunch of other stuff as well. And if you click on driver's assistant, you got your warning timing, driver attention warning, forward safety, lane safety, blind spot, parking safety, all that type of features, which could be really helpful. As well, this car comes with a backup camera. I'll show you how that actually looks like. So if I put it in reverse, it is nice and clear. And you got your dashboard right there. It has your temperature controller here. I like this a lot. Like it shows you what's the temperatures like, and your fan speed right there. If you click on that, if you switch that up, it'll show you. That's pretty cool. You got your charger, USB, and your 12 volt as well. And you got your it comes with a heated front seat, which with 3 different levels. That's your third, second, first, and that's when you go off. And it comes also, which is pretty cool, the heated steering wheel. So if you click on that, this will start heating up. So while driving in the winter, your hands will keep warm. They will stay warm. So guys, right now I want to show you how Android Auto, since I'm using Samsung, how Android Auto looks like. Stay tuned. So guys, this is how the Android Auto looks like in this 8-inch LCD screen. As you can see, you got your maps, your Spotify, your contacts, and I have like my Telegram, WhatsApp right there. Also, this screen comes with a navigation system as well. It's built in, which could be really helpful while traveling as well. So that's all. There you have it. Oh, as well, forgot to mention that they do come with a sunroof, which is awesome. This is your sunroof stuff right there. Switch on that, that opens up if you click on it. Goes backwards, opens up, and frontwards. That's all. Guys, if you want to take this 2021 Venue for a test drive, please reach me at 902-454-1000. Ask for my name. Again, it's Marwan. And if you want to contact me personally, I have my information in the description below. And that's it. Have a good day.